Today we're going to Key West, and this is a review of the Hyatt in Key West, Windward Pointe. Hyatt Windward Pointe is really convenient because it's located close to the airport. It's only about a 5-minute walk from the airport and less than a 5-minute drive. I was a bit concerned about airport noise, but I never noticed that during my entire week stay at this resort. This is the entrance. It's really beautiful in Key West, and the Hyatt does a great job to make it even more tropical, really nice and beautiful. Have you ever stayed in the Florida Keys? Leave a comment below to let everyone know what your favorite hotel is and why. The lobby is spectacular. Not only is the staff great to work with, but there's one thing that I particularly liked. Their coffee is amazing. It's super rich and dark, probably from the Cuban influence, but they have Starbucks, and I would come here every morning and get the coffee from the lobby because it was just to die for. It was the perfect icing on the cake for staying here. The pool area and the location to the beach was probably one of the biggest factors in making me choose this resort to begin with, and it did not disappoint. It was super fun. Everyone in my entire family had a great time in the pool. Sometimes we'd find a mermaid in the pool. As you can see the ocean straight out from the pool. It has a lookover area, and it's quite a large area. There's also separate hot tubs on the side. My kids really love swimming in this at night too. I didn't get any night pictures, but it was beautiful, relaxing. I almost wished it stayed open later at night, but I felt lucky that we could come back at night and have some pool time, and they really enjoyed it. There was a lot of great seating, and the landscaping was absolutely beautiful on the entire grounds, but by the pool area, I really enjoyed it. We never had to look for anywhere to lounge. There was always something open, and you can see here that the pool is quite large, so even if there weren't many kids in it at this time when I was filming, but even when there were kids down here, there was just a lot of space for everyone to enjoy and play around and have a great time. You can see the highway divides the resort and the ocean, and on the other side of that highway is a seawall, which you could fish right off of, which was pretty cool, but it would have been nice to be right on the beach. But if you know anything about Key West, there is very little beach space because all the beaches are man-made, and it's just not really a possibility to have much of a beach. Even some of the largest beaches just aren't very large, and it's not really a place to come for a beach vacation, but it is amazing for great food, amazing drinks, and a super good time. There's so much to do in Key West, and I really enjoyed that. If you're planning a trip to Key West, you might want to check out my Key West restaurant reviews. I have great reviews of places like Alonzo's Oyster Bar, Berlin's Cigar Bar with some of the best food and drinks, Bel Mar right on the water at the marina, and a lot more. So I'll link that all throughout this video. Check it out if you are planning a trip. Back to the Hyatt Windward Pointe, here are some other angles of the pool area. There's lots of space for eating, and there's a volleyball court. There is quite a bit of tropical wildlife in Key West. There's birds and iguanas everywhere, which felt really comfortable around the pool area. But everywhere you go, there's like iguanas, even off-site. Here's the hot tub area, which was really comfortable, really nice. You can see the ocean from this view. Also, you can walk down to this area for a more secluded tanning area. Here's the villas from the outside. We were really lucky. We had a spot right by the ocean that had really great ocean views that I'm going to show you in a minute, but The Hyatt Windward Pointe has 93 residential style 2-bedroom villas. So it's full bedrooms and full kitchens, 2 nice bathrooms, and they look really great from the outside. This is some more of the walk areas by the pool and just across the grounds. All the villas have really nice balconies, and they don't have anything smaller than a 2-bedroom. So if you have a large family and you want a lot of space, this is a good choice. I did like these really comfy loungers. I went and read in those for a little bit. And there's multiple loungers like that across the property. Everything wraps around in this walkway, so no matter where you're staying, it's really convenient to get to the front desk or to get to the pool area, so that was pretty nice too. We were here in June, which is a pretty high season for Key West, but we felt like it was not overly crowded at all. We felt like we had a lot of space, and I know it was completely booked because one of the flights didn't go out the day before we left, and no one could get a room anywhere. So the structure of this resort, it can really handle full capacity without feeling like you're overwhelmed. And yeah, we didn't even feel like it was crowded at all, even though it was fully booked. I just love the trees and landscaping around here. I thought to myself many times just how beautiful it is. So that's why I'm showing a few extra views of all of the tropical trees and landscaping. It was just gorgeous. Onto our room. So I'm gonna start with the balcony because we had a prime view of the ocean. It was great every single morning. They had rocking chairs out here, a full table, really comfortable. And even though there's the highway between you and the ocean, this is typical in Key West. There is just not a lot of oceanfront closer than this. I looked through a ton of the hotels, and this was great. We could see out to the ocean, see the boats coming in, super enjoyable. Probably one of the best things about this place was how close it was to the ocean and being able to see those gorgeous views every day. For meals, it was perfect. Here's some of the pizza I had from the Seaside Cafe, which I have a video on. This isn't their famous lobster biscuits or lobster pizza, but that is in my video, and I'll link it above if you want to check out that restaurant review. On to the villas and the actual place you'll be staying. Like I said, these are all 2-bedroom villas that have a full kitchen with a full refrigerator, a full oven, microwave, dishwasher, ample space to cook anything you need. They have a full dining room table. The floor is tile, which is nice in case it's sandy or something like that. The living room has a couch and 2 chairs. The one couch is a sleeper sofa that my son did sleep on and he did enjoy. Here you can see they even give you a telescope so you can look out at the boats. There's a full stack washer and dryer. The bedrooms are nice, clean, modern, and tropical. I love white bedding, and I also love a lot of storage on vacation. So I had ample room to store everything in the bedroom, and there was a safe you could put things in. The bathroom had a jacuzzi tub in the master, and the other bathroom that was in the common area and for the guest bedroom, it was ample size too. Very comfortable. If you're going to Key West, this is a great place to stay. It's great for the family because you can have some peace and quiet away from the downtown area, but it's also conveniently located to have access to everything. This was at Fort Zachary Taylor State Park. I highly suggest going there if you're in the area. That was a really fun day trip. Key West offers a lot for a family vacation. It has wonderful weather, food, activities, historical sites, so you'll never be bored here and always be able to find something delicious to drink and eat. I hope you enjoyed my review of the Hyatt Windward Pointe in Key West. Drop a comment if you've ever stayed at Key West and let everyone know what your favorite hotel is and why. Until next time, bye.
I have a question, Mommy.
What?
How long is it until we're leaving?
Just a half hour and we have to leave.
Okay.